So yes, students, I was saying that yesterday we had an introductory class about what is science and what are senses and people. कुछ हमारा brief introduction हुआ था किसी चीज को लेके हमारा short introduction था but it was an introductory class. आज क्या है हम थोड़ा और deep में जाके senses को and sense organ को समझेंगे. ठीक है, बीच में जो भी आपको क्वेश्चंस हो डू लेट मी नो. सो व्हाट इज साइंस स्टूडेंट्स? कल हमने इसको समझा, आज मैं आपको इसको फिर एक रिव्यू देती हूँ. Science is the study of the nature and behavior of the natural things and the knowledge that we obtain about them. What does that mean? It means that it's the study of nature. What is nature? There's a question that comes in our mind. What is nature? Nature जो हमारा कुदरती तौर पे सब कुछ होता है. Nature, which is sky, land, sea, humans, all the living things and non-living things. Alright, this is nature. Forest, land, islands, everything that is naturally in this planet, it comes in nature. And its behavior, behavior का क्या मतलब? मैंने कल भी example दी थी, the rainfall, the snowfall, and the humans who interact with other human beings and with their environment, that comes in behavior. And the knowledge that we obtain about them, हम जो इनकी knowledge रखते हैं और इसको फिर किस तरह useful बनाते हैं. अब हम science पढ़ रहे हैं तो हम science में किस तरह से इस knowledge को useful बनाएंगे, that is upon us. If you are learning about senses and sense organs, फिर आप उसको मजीद समझने के लिए बहुत सारे experiments करेंगे. Like for example, मैं experiment करती हूँ, एक फ्लफी सा डॉग रखती हूँ और एक बहुत हार्ड सा रॉक रखती हूँ. मैं एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करूंगी और स्टूडेंट से पूछूंगी, दे विल बी ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड, उनको दिखेगा नहीं ऑब्वियसली. दे कैन ओनली फील, दे कैन ओनली टच. सिर्फ आप टच, सेंस ऑफ टच से ही यू कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई विच इज हार्ड एंड विच इज सॉफ्ट. एम आई राइट? This is the knowledge that we obtain about them and how we make it useful. This is all about science. Now comes to the topic, which is senses and people. Now again there's a question that comes in our mind. What are senses? ये भी हमने कल पढ़ा था. Senses क्या होते हैं? Which helps us. Yes, good, Mohammed Ibrahim, I can repeat. Which helps us find what's happening around us. They protect us. They help us recognize or warn us from danger. And how many senses do we have? How many senses do we have? Just show me by using your hand. Very good. We have 5 senses. How many senses do we have? We have 5 senses. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. These are the sense organ, and the senses are sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of hearing, sense of taste, and sense of touch. But how are the sense organs are useful to us? किस तरह useful है? They are useful Because our senses helps us to understand what's happening around us. They even warn us. ठीक है, हमें अलार्म करते हैं अगर कोई डेंजर है, and helps and protect us that what's happening and what's going on around us. ठीक है, they help protect our body. They are really very important as they help us to find about things around us. For example, seeing देखना, seeing let us recognize people and things, and hearing let us talk to people. ठीक है? Our five senses help us to observe things. They help us to recognize things around us. They also warn us of danger or that things that are not right. We have five senses. Sense of sight. ठीक है, पहले मुझे इसका बताएगा. What do we use to sense of sight? We use our eyes. What do we use to sense of hearing? By ears. What do we use to sense of touch? By skin. Am I right? Very good, students. इसी तरह मुझे show भी करते रहें. What do we use to sense of smell? Nose. Good, Mohammed Ibrahim. What do we use to sense of taste? Tongue. That's right. What do they tell us about things? For example, sense of sight हमें क्या बताता है? If I give you any box, you can see its color, its shape, its size. ठीक है? And what they tell us about things? For example, for the sense of hearing, how high or low the sounds are. ठीक है? Sound किस तरह की है? ये हम कैसे देखते हैं? By the sense of hearing. And by the sense of touch, हमें क्या क्या पता चल सकता है? What is warm, cold, hard, soft, rough, smooth. ठीक है? And what sense of smell tell us about things? It tells us how it smells. Is it good? Is it pleasant? Or a bad smell? हमारे घर में कुछ खाना बनता है, हमें आइडिया हो जाता है, भले हम किचन में हो ना हो, कैसे? We can smell because we have sense of smell. We can smell it by our nose because this is sense organ. How do we taste? By our tongue. And sense of taste tell us about things like things which are salty, sweet, sour, bitter. ठीक है, इस तरह के टेस्ट हमें आ सकते हैं. So this is all about senses and sense organs. I want you all, no, wait, I will share a video. After that, you will have more idea what are sense organs and what are senses and how it is more useful to us. ठीक है, मैं एक वीडियो शेयर कर रही हूँ. Before sharing a video, I want everyone, मुझे हर कोई स्क्रीन पे मैं सबको देख रही हूँ, मुझे आंसर्स चाहिए. How many senses do we have, students? Very good. Good, everyone. First one, smell. Repeat after me. Smell, sight, touch, hearing, and the last one, taste. Good. I'm repeating. Repeat after me. How many senses do we have? We have 5 senses. Smell, sight, touch, hearing and taste. Good everyone. मतलब सबको idea है अब. So now I'm sharing a video with you all. Just give me a second. So students, was it helpful? The video you just watched, was it helpful? समझ आया इससे सबको? Okay, good. Yes, do show me thumbs up. Okay, good. So I was telling that the organs that are used by our senses are called as sense organs. Then there is a question that comes to my mind and maybe everyone's mind, which is, what are organs? Organs होते क्या है? Organs are our body parts that have specific or special functions. ठीक है, जिनका कोई special function हो और वो उसको perform कर रहे हो. For example, what is the function of our heart? What does our heart do? It pumps blood throughout our body. ठीक है, हमारा हार्ट का भी फंक्शन है, हमारे लंग्स का, हमारे ब्रेन्स का, कोई भी जो स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन परफॉर्म करता हो हमारे बॉडी पार्ट क्या कहलाता है? ऑर्गन कहलाता है. So the senses, so the organs which are used by our senses are called as sense organs. Am I clear to you all? Have you all understood that what are senses, what are sense organs, what are their functions? Okay, do show me thumbs up. Now let's move forward. How many senses do we have? Very good, everyone. सब जवाब दीजिए. How many senses do we have? Good, everyone. I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. I can taste with my tongue. Lastly, I can touch with my hand. These all are my 5 senses. I'm repeating the senses again. I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. Repeat after me. I can smell with my nose. I can taste with my tongue. I can touch with my hands. सबको clear है ये? Good students. Before I explain it further to you, मैं अब बुक से थोड़ी सी रीडिंग करवाऊंगी. I want you all to write down your homework. First, write down your homework. Then I'll take a short quiz. That's a kind of a verbal quiz. ताकि मुझे idea हो जाए, ताकि सबको समझ आ रहा है. But firstly, write down your homework, which is do page number 1 in workbook. It's related to what I just taught you. Your homework related to the topic I taught today. As you have all write down your diary in your your homework in your diaries. So just giving an overview of today's class. We have learned that what is science. हमने क्या discuss किया? What is science? What are senses? What are sense organs? How many senses do we have? How is it useful to us? Why is it so important? ये सब हमने पढ़ा and I guess अब आप सबको बहुत अच्छे से इनके जवाब आते हों. As sense organs and our senses helps us protect our body. हमें डेंजर से बचाना, हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में बताना क्या हो रहा है. जब वो हमें प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं तो इनकी भी हमें थोड़ी सी प्रोटेक्शन करनी चाहिए. हाउ वी कैन प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेंस एंड सेंस ऑर्गन्स? We have to be very careful related to them. Like for example, it can be dangerous when we use our senses. For example, looking at very bright things like very bright lights can harm our eyes. ठीक है, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा bright चीज़ों को नहीं देखना चाहिए. It can affect our eyesight. Listening to very loud sounds can harm our ears. ठीक है, बहुत अगर loud sound होगी तो हमारे ears पे थोड़ा effect होगा. We have to be very careful. हमें इनको protect करना चाहिए because ये भी हमें protect करते हैं. Thirdly, touching very hot or cold things can hurt as well. So we should be very careful before touching any object, anything. If it's very hot or cold, we should be very careful. हमें उनको directly अपने हाथ से touch नहीं करना चाहिए. Fourthly, tasting poisonous things can make us sick. Am I right? We should be very careful while eating. We must have knowledge what is good for our health, what would be harmful to us. So as these organs, these sense organs protect us, we should protect them too. This was all for today. If there's any question, go ahead everyone.